Stop trading time for money. Watch this video so I can share with you what effect this is having and what you can do to change this. So have you ever thought about going from one-to-one to a group setting? What that can mean is that you are able to help more people with your services and without burning out, because you're not spending all of the one-to-one time with people. You're able to help more people and impact them in a deep level, but in a group setting. So you're not having multiple bookings for that same transformation and value that you are trying to give. Let me start by busting a few myths with you, because going from a one-to-one setting to a group can really feel like it's too much of a change, and it is also does not feel like it would actually give your clients the transformation that you're wanting to deliver to them. So let's just go through some of the reasons, some of the thinking and thoughts and things that will be going on for you, and we will break them down. So firstly, you might feel that it can be less personal. Well, this is really not the case, because when you are delivering a service to people where there's more than one person, just because there's more people does not mean that your value and what you are teaching them and what you are helping them with is any less value. In fact, in a group setting, what can happen is there are great unities and bonds formed. People are able to support each other, and they don't feel alone either, because there are other people who are suffering from the same issue, struggle or problem that you are trying to help them with. And this can be really impactful, because it can really help people to motivate them, to help them stay accountable, and really to support them through the journey that can sometimes feel so hard and so lonely. Now, next I want to discuss, you might think that it dilutes the value, and again, this is similar to what we've discussed. It will not dilute, because you're still showing up as you are doing you're using your experience to help people, and that does not change. In a group setting, you don't decide to take a back seat. You are still showing up in the best way possible, and in fact, because you have more people to serve, you have maybe more things that you can discuss, and sometimes even people listening to things that are slightly different. It can really help people get ideas and encourage them and motivate them when somebody is going through something similar, yet perhaps even a little bit different. If they can get through that, then so can I. If they can do that, so can I, and really building on that. You may also think that you don't have the confidence or the knowledge to actually set up some kind of group structure, a program, a course, or where do you even start? First thing is, take a deep breath. You do not need to do everything all together and all at once. You break things down and you do it simply step by step. Now, I have another video on not getting stuck on the how, so I will drop the link in for that one. And if you do feel that that is the thing that's holding you back, then that will help you to realise how much value there is to get past the how. Now, next, when you think about this group offering, whatever it might be, you may think that you have to design things and do things in a certain way. There's a formula, and you just don't know what that formula is. Let me tell you, you need to be as unique as you are, as unique as your business. You decide what you want to include, how you want to include it, how you will deliver, and exactly what components will be part of this service that you want to offer. So if you enjoy doing something live, then you do things live. If you absolutely hate doing live, you might prefer doing a pre-recorded video. Now, really tapping into the kinds of things that you can do. There are so many options out there, and I would say that the absolute best way to do things is really to mix things up, because everybody has different learning types, And what might resonate with one person and they find it easy to follow, another person might be more visual and they need to have that workbook or that thing written down and go away and actually do the work. So how can you help people who might be at different stages of that struggle and going through this journey, and how could you actually help them take action? So that is the whole point. You want to deliver the transformation that you are offering. So how can you do that? You can really dig into all the different ways there are without feeling overwhelmed, because there is no formula, and you, in fact, you have to create your very own magical formula. And that is the beauty, because your offering will be totally unique. It will be aligned to who you are. It will be speaking and serving your clients in a manner that you choose to show up for, in the way that you want to do it as well. What you need to also remember is that because you're able to help more clients, then you will not be trading time for money, which means your online calendar and your booking does not dictate how much money you earn, how many clients you serve, and really how much income you make as well, because they don't need to be part of this at all. Moving away from one-to-one to group can be really super helpful, because you are changing things, you are making it easier for people to work with you. And because you're not charging one-to-one costs, that can also have an impact on the type of clients that you will be attracting. Perhaps somebody who wants to work one-to-one with you but simply cannot afford to work with you on a one-to-one basis. You would be able to serve people, more people in your world, perhaps even people who are waiting to have enough money to actually make a start. I hope you found this video helpful. Do hit subscribe and like, and do pop in the comments and let me know what your thoughts are. Where are you on the journey? Share with me and tell me why you're thinking about going to group settings and what might be holding you back, because I'm more than happy and I can create more videos on this topic for you as well. Last but not least, I want to leave you with a question. If you could magically create a service and offer something that will serve your clients on a deep basis, what would that be? If you just got past the how and did not have to think about the tech that's involved, the time that's involved, and how you might go about doing this, then what kind of thing actually appeals to you? Drop it in the comments. Let's inspire each other and let's support each other with what your dream service would be. I'd love to hear from you, so pop that in, and thank you so much for watching to the end. Remember to hit like and subscribe, and do make sure that you have your notifications on so you can get the next video drop and get notified of that straight away. So see you next time.